Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about a powerful rule that can completely change the way you move in life. Never tell your plans. Most people think sharing goals brings motivation, but in reality, it often does the opposite. In this video, you will learn why silence is strength, how announcing your plans can slow you down, and why the most successful people work quietly and let results speak. Make sure you watch till the end. This lesson is important. Let me tell you a story. This is not just a story about animals, it's a reflection of real life. Listen carefully, the story. In a quiet village far from the noise of cities, there lived an old farmer named Raghav. He owned a small piece of land, a humble house, and a few animals, nothing extraordinary. But among all his animals, there was one he cared for the most. A young bull named Neil. Neil was strong, calm, and loyal. Every morning he helped plow the fields. Every evening he stood quietly near the barn, watching the sunset with the farmer. Raghav often spoke to Neil, not because Neil could answer, but because silence listens better than people do. One evening after a tiring day, Raghav sat beside Neil and sighed. You have worked hard, my friend, he said softly. Soon, when the harvest is good, I will rest, maybe even sell the land and live peacefully. Neil flicked his tail, unaware that these simple words would not stay where they were spoken. The first misunderstanding. Nearby a goat was chewing grass. She heard only part of the conversation. Sell the land. Rest. That night she told the sheep, I heard the farmer say he is planning to sell everything. The sheep told the hens, the farmer is planning to get rid of the farm. The hens clucked nervously and told the dog, the farmer is planning something big. Maybe we won't be here much longer. It's time the story moved. It changed, not because of lies, but because of assumptions. When words grow teeth, within days, fear spread through the farm. The horse stopped working properly. The cows became restless. The dog watched the farmer with suspicious eyes. Neil noticed the change. The farmer, confused, felt the distance, but didn't understand it. One morning, Raghav said aloud, if things don't improve, I may have no choice but to sell Neil. He said it quietly, tired, worried. Not as a decision, but as a thought. But thoughts, once spoken, no longer belong to us. By evening, the story had transformed. The farmer is selling Neil tomorrow. Panic took over. The animals began avoiding Neil as if betrayal were contagious. Some blamed him, some pitied him, some feared being next. Neil didn't understand why the farm felt colder. He did what he always did, worked harder, stayed quieter. Silence he believed would protect him. That night the dog, convinced he was saving the farm, barked loudly at strangers passing near the land. The noise attracted thieves. In the chaos, Neil broke free, ran into the dark fields, and fell into an old abandoned well. By the time the farmer found him, it was too late. The farm fell silent. Raghav sat beside the empty barn for days. He replied every word he had spoken, every careless sentence, every thought spoken out loud. He realized something painful. The tragedy didn't begin with thieves. It began with words spoken without caution. No one meant harm, yet harm was done. Not everyone who listens understands. Not everyone who hears protects. Some repeat, some assume, some reshape your truth into their version. Your plans are fragile. Your dreams are seeds. If you expose them too early, the wrong wind can destroy them. Silence is not weakness, it is wisdom. Speak less, observe more. When you tell everyone your plans, you trade focus for validation. Words feel like progress, but they are not. Real progress is quiet, uncomfortable, and often misunderstood. Silence protects your energy. Silence protects your vision. In the end, nothing was lost on the farm except trust. The farmer learned too late that sharing his plans caused pain and misunderstanding. The lesson was clear: not everyone should know your plans, and sometimes silence is wiser than words.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.